Hello, today I will show you how to make explainer video easy on your own for your business, website, mobile app and other things. For example, videos like this.
Meet Onyx, a popular video blogger, Buffy, an enthusiastic gourmand who runs a small bakery, and Ernie, and generated an ideal logo for him, all based on his style and preferences.
Also, I will show you one nice function, how you can make a logo. Firstly, write here your business name. And very nice thing, just write here what kind of logo you want. What has to be in logo, for what business do you need it, and well, it will generate a lot of logo variants, considering what you have written. Choose a font. And well, we have logo variants with entered name, and it was generated according to what you wrote. So now about video, click create video, and now we see lots of variants by category, both explainer video, both video visualizations, both presentations or intro and logo. Suppose choose the product or service promotion, and we see lots of choices. Here is a videos created using this template. So click on create now and try to do the clip. Here you can choose or you do from empty, or just choose created video and edit it on your own. So try to do it from empty. And here is a lot of choices, like characters, check marks, icons, view in smartphone and so on. So choose this in the SEO editing, and we can add second scene. And here you can enter your text, which will be showed in this scene. So now check how we can do video with the created video templates. Various templates. Of course, if you don't want some scenes, you can delete it and add what you need. Well, here is a full movie, just remains to edit the texts, upload photos and so on. We can look what we can make still. Slideshows. Music visualizations. Presentations for business. We can watch one example. Intros and logos, which you can use in start of your video. Mobile app presentation video.